In today's video, I'm going to provide you with a Microsoft 365 quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add a user to your Microsoft 365 subscription, how to assign that person a license, and how to assign that person a role within your organization. So if this is something that you're interested in, smash that thumbs up button below, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into things today. Thank you for joining me today on this quick tutorial video. If you're new here, my name is Misty Murray. I am the founder of Arrow Consultants. I am the creator of the Microsoft 365 case management system, and I'm a litigation paralegal. So let's head into my computer and show you how you add that user to your Microsoft 365 subscription. In step one, you'll want to navigate to your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You can find your Admin Center by clicking on the waffle in the upper left-hand corner, navigating to the Admin Center, and clicking on it. Once you arrive in your Admin Center, I want you to locate users in the left-hand panel. Click on Active Users. Once you're in Active Users, you'll want to add a user. So click Add a User. In step two, you're going to set up the basics for the user. So first things first, you want to provide a first name and a last name for this user. Tab down and look at that username that has been assigned for your domain. If you want to change it, now's your opportunity to do so. Once you've set the username, you can check any of these boxes below to automatically create a password, require the user to change their password when they first sign in, or send password in email upon completion. Clicking the boxes below creating the username is entirely up to you. I like to go ahead and check that first box to automatically create that password. Beyond that, let's head into the next step. Step three is assigning a license to the new user that you've added to your account. Now, for my processes, when I'm doing a custom build for a customer, I do not require a licensed account. While I like to have one, I don't require one, which means that there's no additional cost for my client to provide me with a license. But during this step, you want to go ahead and assign a license to the new user, and you want to go ahead and take a look at those apps and make sure that all of the apps that they need are applied to that license. So there are no hiccups the moment that they sign in and start using their subscription. Step four is assigning a role to the new user in the Microsoft 365 subscription. Now you can click on the drop-down menu and look for a role that best meets that user's needs and assign that person a role. Once you've assigned that person a role, go ahead and click Next. Step five is for anyone that you've assigned an admin role to. In this step, you can clearly identify those admin roles and really get granular on what it is you want your user to access. So set the permissions for the new user and click Next. Step six is to review everything that you've done thus far. You want to check the name, you want to check the username, you want to check the license, you want to check the role, you want to check the permission. Steps 1 through 6, everything that you just did, we're going to review that right here on this page. Once you've reviewed the entire summary of the new user you'll be adding, I want you to scroll down and click Finish. Well done! You just added a new user, gave them a license, and assigned them a role in your Microsoft 365 subscription. Now you and the new user can work brilliantly together in Microsoft 365. You can download this tutorial that I provided for you today by heading to arrowconsultants.solutions. Simply navigate to the Microsoft 365 for law firms, hover over that area, and you can click on Quick Tutorials. There are a couple of quick tutorials there for you to download, and today I've provided you with one of them. And don't forget, we have the Masterclass. The Masterclass for the Microsoft 365 case management system is open right now for enrollment. So don't miss this opportunity to check out our 12 lessons, step-by-step video tutorials, which will take you about 4.5 hours to complete. You guys have got this in a weekend. Today's quick tutorial is just that. It's just a quick tutorial, but the masterclass provides so much more. It takes a deep dive into how you design implement, create, move into, and live and maintain that case management system that you've always been looking for. Reduce your IT costs, leverage the power of Microsoft 365 for your law firm today. Work collaboratively, work productively, and live beautifully. If you liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to click that bell notification to get notified of each time I post a video on here. Thank you for joining me today in this quick tutorial for Microsoft 365 for law firms. Have an amazing rest of your day, a weekend ahead of you, and I will see you guys back here on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.